Hey guys, it's a new week. For now we're on time, as you can see in the Gantt plan. And for me, it's been more CRs, and I'm also working on the Travis integration. We want to have full automation for the code. Whenever each of the team commits his code, it's gonna test and build and do everything for you automatically. And if you mess up the code, it will send you a notification email and notify everyone on Slack. So that's it for what I've done, and let's hear from the team.
Hi, so in the last day I finished the bid class implementation and I finished most of its tests. And today I'm gonna finish it and start the implementation of the need class.
So last week I finished to implement the mission class, and today I will move to the messages.
Hey, so I'm back from California. I have a few follow-ups to do regarding some of the meetings I had there, as well as catching up with Shachar about the state of everything, and making plans for our autonomous boat project. I need to write a spec for the next phase of it.
Hi guys, today I'm continuing to work on organizing our communications records, and we've got a few videos coming up that will be publicizing today through our social media. And finally, I will be working on the next round of communications to make sure that we're on message and that everybody's getting the information they need. See you next time.
Hey Davers, what's up? So today I started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I discussed with Shahar and Tal about the new weekly DAV show, which will premiere next week. After that, I did some minor final touches to EcoMotion Connect event and released both videos, the video showcasing the event itself and Tal's full session. You can check them both out right over here. After that, I participated in Tal and Shahar's weekly meeting in order to better understand the development side, and that's also for our new weekly show upcoming next week. And then I edited the DailyDAV, and that's it for now. See you next time.
Hey Davers, Alec here. The week has started. What I'll be doing this week will be outbound communications. I'm reaching out to different companies that we reached out before or that are new to our system. What I'm using new collaterals from the different events that happened to us, and we'll see how that would unfold. I'm also going to have later this week a debrief talk with Lior, following up on his meetings in Germany, and that's about it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi guys. Yesterday I made new variants Screen, our beautiful, amazing mobile app for our partners, forms, splash screen, etc. Today I'll start work website graphics enhancement. I'll start thinking new graphic language for our site, icons, form, visual and other. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.